Hello, good morning to all. Welcome back to our channel. Chapter 1 Square, Part 3. Problem 64 square. 64 square നമുക്ക് 64 സ്ക്വയറിന് ആൻസർ 4116 കിട്ടി. The next problem 35 square. We have to write 13 plus 5 all raised to square. Then 13 square plus 2 into 13 into 5 plus 5 square. Then 13 square 900 plus 2 into 30. 2 into 3 6. 6 into 5 13. Then we add 0 right side. Then 5 square 25. 5 square 25. Then we write 900 plus 300 plus 25. We get the answer 1225. Next the problem 29 square. We have to write 20 plus 9 all raised to square. Then we write 20 square plus 2 into 20 into 9 plus 9 square. We get 400 square plus 2 into 2 4 into 9 36. We add 0 in right side. We plus 9 square 81. We get the answer 841. This is the answer. The first 64 square answer is 64 square നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം 16 plus 4 the whole square എന്ന് ചെയ്യാം. The mathematical formula a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then we solve the problem. We get the answer 4106. Then similarly 35 square we have to write 30 plus 5. The answer is all raised to square. We get 1225. 29 square answer 841. Thank you.